Hello guys, welcome back to Sham Robotics channel. Today we will make a face recognition. I don't know if I already made it back then, but yeah, I will make it again. So you made a new folder named face recognition and then made a new open Python idle like this, a new file, and then we type something like import like that, and then save as in the folder that you just made. I will save it as face recognition. Sorry if I spelled it wrong. And then so after you made something like this, you must download OpenCV, this one. I will give the link to download this in the description. So you extract the zip and then open the folder, go to source and then data and then har cascades and then choose har cascade i.xml and then also har cascade frontal face default. So we copy paste both of them. We copy and then get back to our folder and then paste here like that. Done. And I will search a photo to the example of the photo. I will take from Avenger, maybe, I don't know. So yeah, I will cut. Okay, so I just got the photos, and then as you can see I have the Avengers photos. I will name it as example photos like this. So yeah, we will next go to the code. We will open idle Python again and then recent files and face recognition. So but there's an important thing you need to do before doing this. Search for cmd and then do pip install numpy and enter like that, because I already installed it. I don't need to do. We will just wait. After it so we need to do pip install numpy and then enter, but because I already installed it, I don't need. Also pip install gv, and then after you done that, you're good to go. So we already open it and we import numpy as np, import cv2 as cv, and then face, this is the data, and then equals cv dot cascade classifier. Okay, and then do the thing, and we need to input the name of the har cascade frontal face underscore default. So we type that. Now it's the I, so I equals cv dot cascade classifier cascade underscore I dot xml, and we are going to the next code, which is amg image equals cv dot I'm read, and then the file name I name it as example photos dot jpg, and then img underscore gray equals cv dot cvd color img comma cv dot color underscore bgr to gray. So I don't know what this do, but this thing is going to export all the photos that you're gonna need to recognize, and this is for the file needed, which is hercascade.underscore I and hercascade underscore frontal face underscore default. We need those, or if you don't have this, it's not gonna work. So make sure you put everything in the same folder, even the photos too. So we're gonna go to next thing, the tag underscore face equals face dot the tag multi-scale underscore not underscore img underscore gray comma 1.3 comma 5. And we'll type font equals cv dot font underscore Hershey underscore simplex, and count equals 0. So what this do is the font of the text, so will be a text there, and this will be the face detector to detect multiple face. And then the next code we need to do is for x, y, w, h, and then close in the tag underscore face count equals count plus 1. cv dot put text img comma found comma x comma y minus 10, then close it, and then font 1, 0, 255. Okay, and don't forget to comma and then cv dot line underscore aa and close it. So what this do is detect how much face the square on the face, and so will be a text found like that. Next we have cv dot rectangle img underscore img comma xy comma here, and then add open x plus w comma y plus h, then 25500.2 close. Right underscore gray equals mg underscore gray and y it's the same as the above it. Sorry guys if I say too slow or not not are not understandable, because I'm also reading a book, so I don't do anything wrong. So I dot detect multi scale Roy underscore gray. So what does this code do is it will detect the eye, and then the next is we have for x a u h in detect underscore I cv dot rectangle roy underscore color comma x comma a comma x plus u comma a plus h. I don't know what this do, but if you know, comment down below. 0.255 0.0 0.2, and then this is the not last but at least cv dot put text img comma number of face is str count comma again 100.100 close comma font comma 2 comma 0.100.255 0.2.2 0.cv dot line underscore a. Next is cv dot named window img. Okay, so it's now all working. We just need to run module and okay, sorry, we need to do this and then run. Hello. Where is the tag underscore face, image underscore gray? So what's wrong with that? Okay, so I think I did something wrong. I must add t on this, then try and run again. Nope, still not. Okay, so I think I know what's wrong. It's an img. Let's try it again. It should be working now. Still not. No. So the tag underscore I, the tag multi scale. So in this thing, so I found the fix that I forgot to add equals in here. So we're gonna run the module. Hope it's gonna work. Please, not again. Nice. Okay, we're gonna add space here. Run module. Okay. Please, detect multi-scale. What's wrong though? Okay guys, so it's actually dot not comma, so we're gonna run module. Hope again no error, please. Nice, finally guys. Yes, here, see it, you see it, it's found. Number of face is 5. So yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye, see you next time.